Luxury and sophisticated is the best way to describe this stunning one-bedroom condo located in dynamic Long Island City. Hi, I'm Glick, and welcome to apartment 4F in Courtyard, a beautifully designed luxury condominium loaded with amenities just one stop away from Midtown Manhattan. At 739 square feet with 9.5-foot ceilings, this knockout home features an elegant and stylish living room with a wall of custom tile work, ram and brown calico textured wallpaper, and oversized windows, which pair with framed mirrors to provide wonderful light and views. The stunning kitchen features beautiful walnut cabinetry and marble countertops with an extra-large waterfall island. Full suite of Miele appliances along with InSinkErator and under-the-counter water filter. Beautiful finishes extend to the bathroom with gorgeous tiles, walnut vanity, radiant heated porcelain floors, and top-of-the-line finishes. The spacious bedroom feels like checking into a luxurious boutique hotel with tile and felt fabric covered walls, custom blackout shades, thoughtfully designed closet space, and it can easily accommodate a king-size bed while doubling as a media room. Additional features in this one-of-a-kind home include a Bosch washer-dryer, white oak wood floors, central air and heat, and smart technology enabling remote or voice command. Courtyard is a distinctive architectural jewel designed by Argentinian architect Dieguez Friedman and New York-based buyer Binder Bell. With just 85 residences, Courtyard offers a more intimate style of living while offering every amenity imaginable, including a professional and friendly 24-hour doorman staff, a large state-of-the-art fitness center with skylights and garden views, beautifully furnished roof deck with grilling stations, bocce ball court, and spectacular Manhattan skyline views, landscape gardens, and a live-in resident manager and support staff. If you'd like to see this beautiful one-of-a-kind home, please contact me.